Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're diving into something super practical and honestly, essential for just about everyone. We're talking about 5 smart ways to save money in 2025. Inflation is real, expenses are piling up, and if you're like most people, saving money feels harder than ever. But here's the good news, small changes can lead to big wins. And trust me, number 3 might really surprise you. Number 1, automate your savings. This one is a total game changer. If you wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, chances are, there's not much left. Instead, pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account as soon as your paycheck hits. Even if it's just $25 or $50 a week, it adds up. That's $1,300 to $2,600 in a year, without even thinking about it. The trick is to treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. You won't miss what you don't see, and your future self will be so glad you started. Number 2, audit your subscriptions. Look, we've all been there. You sign up for a free trial, forget about it, and months later you're still paying for it. Or you're subscribed to 3 different streaming platforms but only watch one. Take a few minutes to go through your bank statement or use apps like Rocket Money or Truebill. They can help identify hidden subscriptions and even cancel them for you. You could save $20, $50, even $100 a month, just by cutting out what you don't use. That's money you could be saving or investing instead. Number 3, use the 30-day rule. This one is all about controlling impulse spending. Say you want that $200 gadget, new shoes, or tech upgrade. Instead of clicking, buy now, write it down, and wait 30 days. If after that time, you still really want it, can afford it without going into debt, and it adds value to your life, then it's a considered purchase, not an impulse. But most of the time, you'll realize you didn't really need it. That's money in your pocket and regret avoided. Impulse control equals money power. Number 4, don't sleep on generic brands. This one might sound simple, but it's so effective. From pantry items to over-the-counter medications, store brand products are often made in the same factories as name brands, just without the fancy packaging. You can save 20 to 30% every time you shop. Over the course of a year, that's hundreds of dollars, without sacrificing quality. Next time you're grocery shopping, do a little price comparison and you'll see exactly what I mean. Number 5, use Cashback and rewards apps. If you're shopping online, whether it's clothes, electronics, or even booking travel, don't miss out on free cashback. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Fetch Rewards give you cash or points for purchases you're already making. It takes just a few seconds to install them or scan a receipt, and over time, those little rewards can turn into a few $100s in savings or gift cards. It's passive saving, and who doesn't love that? So there you have it, 5 super simple and smart ways to save money in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, or if you've already been using any of these and seen results. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your money and stress less about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart and stay saving.